has issued a severe thunderstorm for southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rockford Airport, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Milford, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Caledonia, Loves Park, Rockford, Cherry Valley, Timberlane, Garden Prairie, Belvedere, Capron, Winnebago, and McChesney Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.